Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do because it's soon to be Halloween. I wanted to create a video with Halloween as a theme. So I know it's not perfectly Halloween vibes. I mean, this is maybe a little bit too much and loose here as well, but that's the only thing that's getting at least a little bit close to the Halloween theme, so that will do. Maybe you guessed it, or maybe you read this in the title, but I'm going to try to recreate or get inspired by a makeup I've seen on internet, and I'll be a kitty for this video. So I am a little bit stressed because if you've seen me before in the videos, or if you know me in real life, and more especially now and since many years, you know that I'm not so much into makeup. So this is something I'm not used to do at all. So I'm scared. I'm a little bit stressed. So I have a bunch of makeup here. I kinda don't want to do that, but well. So I have a mirror here. So if you see me checking here, that's why. Also, I chose the worst skin day to do that because before it was good and now I have breakouts. It is what it is, but yeah. I am also not going to apply anything like foundation and all that kind of stuff because one, I don't have any, and two, I think this video is going to be pretty long already. If I don't mess up, I will be good. I didn't want to go too deep into that. I'll just do some quick stuff on here. I'm procrastinating right now. I know that. So yeah, I have my model or my inspiration here. Honestly, that's cute and all, but I don't really know if I'm going to manage to do that or not. You know what the worst part is? It's that I have to use eyeliner or something like that, and I never tried this before, or I did try and it was a fail or something like that. This one, oh, it's broken. This is old, and I know some people would be like, you're using old stuff. I'm using what I have. I don't know what I'm doing. Oops. I'm sitting on something that is scaring me as well. I've never tried this one before, so I don't know how it's gonna be. Oh, come on. Okay. Had this. Okay, I'm gonna try to do what's going to be the most complicated in my opinion. I can't see. Wait. Oh my gosh. It's like drawing on a moving paper. I don't know if you can tell. Trying my best. Oh my gosh, I can't see what I'm doing. It's too shadowy. Okay. So I don't know if I won't have to use the eyeliner anyway, because mine is not as dark as hers. Oh, the waterline. Better do it right now, I guess. What did I do? I'm good. Can you see anything? I'm gonna try this. Okay. I feel like I'm painting. Oh, I don't know if I'm doing something good. My eyes are getting watery. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna do the next things. What? Oh. I'm so bad. Okay, I think this one is not good at all. I can't apply it correctly. Already in this, what I hate the most. Okay. So which one am I going to use then? It's probably the video in which I'm the less talkative. So concentrated. Kitty kitty. I'm trying to understand what she did. I don't know how to wear makeup. I don't really like what I'm seeing right now, but anyway. Ooh, wait, this one is better. I tried something different and I kinda like this one more. I don't know. I don't like what I see, but I don't know how to make it look better. And I wish I had different brushes too. I'm not sure I can do better. I'm gonna try to do the nose now. I'm trying to add a little bit of pink here because they have pink nose. Oh yes, I've got. I'm gonna do that. Mascara. I'm glad my paper is never moving when I'm doing stuff like this. No, I moved. I'm being impatient. Time is running out. I don't really like what I'm seeing. I think it's a big fail. I'm not seeing quite well. The screen is a little bit small and here I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this year. This is a disaster. So now you know why I'm never wearing makeup. I think I'm gonna stop now. So here is the finished look. Oh my gosh. I think I've done all the mistakes possible. I'm not applying stuff you're supposed to apply before so that it stays in place and all that kind of stuff. Foundation, etc. Done her. And I know it's not good at all, but I'm using very, very old stuff. So they're supposed to be in the dustbin. You're not supposed to do that. I don't recommend you to follow my example. Clearly not, but this is what I did. And so some of the things I wanted to use are dead. And I love them. And I'm sad, but yeah, I'm not wearing makeup very often, so here is the best I could do for today. I thought it would be good for me to have a mirror here, but I didn't think that for this eye it would be good because the light is here. So when I'm watching here, I have the light, but for the other part of my face, I was like, yeah, I'm going to have the light and people will see me and will see all my mistakes very, very clearly. So ta-da! For now, I'm giving up. I can't do better than that. I need some knowledges for sure when it deals with makeup. And honestly, I'm not the type of person who wears makeup a lot because first, I don't want to spend too much time wearing something that I'll have to take off after. I love makeup because for me it's like art. I hate the moment when you have to remove it. I never managed to remove everything correctly. Tomorrow I'll have panda eyes. So today I'm a kitty, tomorrow I'll be a panda. I'm not going to lick myself. I don't know what you guys think of it. I'm not 100% satisfied with the results, and I went short on time, so I'm going to end the video now, but yeah, I feel happily. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment I hate the most when it comes to makeup, remove that moment. Let's go. Whew. I can see panda eyes already. So now you know. Anyway, next DIY. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just something that I'm putting in it because I don't want to glue gun the fake candles in it. I just want to be able to replace them as easily as possible. That bad. Look. Can you see it? Okay, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing everything, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!